Welcome back to another video. Last time you saw this car, we were pulling the head off of it and we diagnosed basically a blown head gasket and it torched the head. So what we are going to be doing, I talked to Reed about it. We're going to go ahead and remove all the valve train from his head. We're going to go over to our cash stash here, grab a core off the shelf, and then we're going to just swap everything over. So we're not going to try to weld this head up. We're not going to try to mill it over, nothing like that. We're just going to go ahead and take one off the shelf, send that to the machine shop, get a hot tanked, do the whole thing, resurfaced, and then we're going to go ahead and throw the valve train into it and do the whole thing. Okay, now that we got all this kind of scuffed up, you can see there's still like stuff in the chambers and all that. We're gonna hit that pretty good with some Scotch-Brite or something. But what the task of doing this is getting all of the crazy carbon buildup kind of knocked down real good. So when we do send this thing through a hot tank, it's kind of easier to get all the rest of it out. So this will actually clean up fairly well. It's not going to be spotless, but it will clean up pretty good once it gets through a hot tank procedure and it gets aired off really good. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to knock down some of that carbon and we should be good to go. Now that the core is completely disassembled and brassed up, we're going to go ahead and send it off to the machine shop and wait for that to get done up. So I did send off a few other items with it, with that head, other customer products and a personal bottom end as well. So it's going to take a little time. So that's going to be the end of this video for now. However, when we do get that back, I'm going to go ahead and do a completely new video on the whole reassembly of that head, so you'll be able to see what the difference was with just the brass and the wipe down versus after it's resurfaced, hot tanked, and aired off. So until then, you guys have a good rest of your week and weekend, and until next time.